Hey guys, LaDonna Angelique back to share with you guys my Coach bag. And it's just a little crossbody. I bought it to kind of coordinate with my Tory Burch Miller orange, but I think it's off. So yeah, it came in this here packing slip. Didn't come in a box this time, and then it came in this. So I was trying to coordinate the two, but I think one of them is deeper than the other, which I think this is deeper. And this is what we call the, let me look at that. This is the Crossbody Smith bag. And let me see if it's another. Oh, it's, but anyway, let me take the thing off of it. And see, this is the, it's almost like, it's called mango. The color of it is mango. I looked a little bit brighter on the website. Yeah, it's a mango crossbody Smith bag. And I think it's not going to, I don't think it's going to match it, because I think this one is just too deep. But anyway, it has two pockets on the back, and then you open it from the top, and that's what's in. It's just the, what is this? Oh, it's just the stuffing that's in here. It's the stuffing. And y'all know I'm a Coach connoisseur. I'll carry a Coach bag before I carry any other bag. Even the Michael Kors, I haven't even bought one. So I'm just a Coach girl. I've been carrying Coach for years and years, and I just can't see myself buying anything else. If I buy something else, it's going to be a Chanel bag. So right now, Coach it is. Okay, so let me see what this is. These are the tags. And this bag was like 80 bucks. I bought it for like $80. And let's see. That's the tag. Oh, and that's the sensor. Yeah. So it's a mango crossbody, and it retails for $276. And I got it for like 80 something bucks. And this is the strap. Now this is what's throwing me out, but I have a gold strap since it got gold hardware. I got a gold, I have a gold strap that I bought from Coach that I can put on my bags, and since it has the gold hardware, I can use that for this. But this is the strap that goes with it. Let me just, it's a pretty casual bag. You can dress it up or dress it down, because like I said, I do have that gold strap to put on with it. So they have it attached with the little thing right there. So hang on, let me drop that down. So this is how you, this is, I guess I'm assuming this is the back of the purse, the crossbody, and then this is the strap. And it's an adjustable strap. And you take it and you attach it. And this is the orange Coach tag. So you take it and you attach it there. And then you attach it here. And then you adjust it to where you want to. Yeah, you just pull the straps and then you move it down. Yeah, like that. So I would probably do it this way, because I definitely bought it to wear as a crossbody. So that would be how I would wear it. But see, I've got to thrilled about this strap. And I knew the strap was going to be like that when I ordered it. So if I want to just casually wear something, you know, with this, I can. But yeah, I think this is not, I think it's dark. I don't think it'll match what I had intending to match with. So let me just take all this off. And then it has a little fob where you can attach your keys here. So yeah, that's mine. It don't have any lettering on. It just have the tag that indicates that it is a Coach bag right here. And then you have that strap here. And you don't have to wear these here. You can always wear it as a pouch because you do have this strap. It's versatile. So you can wear that like that, or you can wear it as a crossbody. But like I said, I bought this to kind of match the shoes that the Miller, and I don't think it's gonna match because this is more of a deeper. But I don't think if I was here and the shoes are down there, I don't think it'll be a big difference. But yeah, guys, this is just my newest addition to the family. Love the color. I wanted to do the green with the green sandals, but since I had already bought them, I said, well, let me just get a bag so I can match it. So that's the color of that. It's my Coach bag. Yeah. I love me a Coach bag. So yeah, guys. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. LaDonna Angelique.